Nature is our friend. Nature is our best friend, which provides us all the resources to live here. It is a great teacher as we learn many things from nature. It protects us from harmful rays emitted through atmosphere. It gives us shelter, pure air to breathe, rain which gives clean water, healthy food, etc. If we do not protect it, then it will get polluted by deforestation, contamination, air pollution. So, we should protect it for our future generation. Many resources which we get from nature should be utilized properly without wasting it. The special resource from the nature are waterfall, mountain, forest, ocean, and many. Nature is a gift from the God. The best lesson we learn from the nature is to be the giver rather than the receiver. Thanks for watching.